Blessed love, Weso family. Welcome back to another edition of Weso Health Tips, where tradition meets transformation. I'm Weso, and today we're exploring a plant that's as bold as its name, ram goat dash along. Now if you've ever seen goats chasing after this bush on the roadside in Jamaica, you know exactly why it's earned such a name. Not only do goats crave it, but it's been linked to natural vitality, stamina, and healing, especially in Caribbean folk medicine. Let's take a walk with me through its story, its science, and why it might become your next favorite herbal ally. Scientifically called Turner ulmifolia, ram goat dash along thrives in the West Indies, Mexico, Central America, and parts of Africa. In Jamaica, its name comes from two striking observations. Goats, especially rams, were seen energetically chasing it and dashing about after munching the leaves, linking it to vitality and male virility. It grows wild and resilient, sprawled along paths, seemingly dashed by nature itself. This alone makes it a perfect symbol of Caribbean endurance and earthbound wisdom. Let's talk benefits, because this plant is packed. It's a natural expectorant, helping clear mucus from your chest during colds or flu. Its antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds make it a friend to your immune system. It helps with constipation, gas, and bloating, a gentle aid for your gut. It's long known as an aphrodisiac and fertility booster, used by both men and women to reignite the spark. It supports your nervous system, calming anxiety and even lifting mild depression. And it doesn't stop there. Inside the leaves and roots lie compounds like flavonoids, anti-inflammatory and immune-supporting; alkaloids, may stabilize mood and reduce tremors; volatile oils, for antimicrobial and aromatic benefits; cyanogenic glycosides, potentially toxic in high doses, so moderation matters. This mix makes ram goat dash along more than folk medicine. It's a phytochemical powerhouse. And did you know its use isn't limited to Jamaica? In Haiti, it's part of voodoo baths and teas for fever and cleansing. In the Bahamas, it's a go-to for respiratory strength. Mexico uses its cousin, Ternera diffusa, as a sexual tonic, digestive aid, and even in ceremonial smokes. In Ghana, it's embraced for eczema treatment, blood sugar control, and reproductive health. From Africa to Latin America, it's a thread in the global tapestry of healing. Here's how you can use it. Tea, steep 5 to 10 minutes for immune, digestive, or hormonal support. Shot, blend with lime, ginger, and honey for a revitalizing morning boost. Marinade, infuse meats with medicinal flavor, both healing and delicious. Topical rinse, apply to scalp or skin to ease eczema and promote hair growth. But remember, not recommended for pregnant women. Stick to moderate doses, because even natural medicine requires respect. Ram goat dash along reminds us that the road to wellness is often lined with the very herbs our ancestors knew and loved. So whether you're sipping it, cooking with it, or just learning about its legacy, this is one bush worth honoring. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Weso Health Tips. We're growing a community rooted in culture, care, and curiosity. Drop a comment if you've ever used ram goat dash along, or want us to feature another traditional remedy. Until next time, stay rooted and radiant.